Can we open expired link in Telegram? Hey everybody, if you guys are also wondering, today in this video we are going to find out, so let's just get started. First of all, open up Telegram app, and once you open it up, you should be finding this interface with chats on your home screen of your Telegram. Now what you may do is head over to the chat where the link is available. If the expired link is available, you can head over to one of the chats, for example this right here. So if you're trying to open up the link that has already been expired, if you try to open it up, the link cannot open, because when a Telegram link such as invite link or group of channel expires, it can no longer be used to access the specific resource. You will need to request a new valid link from the group or the channel administrator. If you know the admin of the group, you can basically go over to the chats and you can basically uh, you know ask them, provide them with the link and such. So, or you can, if you are have access to the group, you can just go ahead and access the group directly, and there also you can just go ahead and provide in the same kind of thing, and you can ask them for the link provided, and that way is possible. That is only the way possible right now to get the valid link from the group or the channel administrator. And that way you can open up the link again, but this time it should not be expired. You can go ahead and access the link before it gets expired on your Telegram. So that's it for today's video. I hope this information was helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.